Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Mobile on Android. First, head to your Android App Store and download the official game. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay. Once installed, launch the game and complete the initial tutorial. This will introduce you to the core mechanics, movement, and shooting controls, setting you up for success in your first matches. Rainbow Six Mobile features a diverse roster of operators, each with unique gadgets and abilities. On attack, you'll find roles like breachers who open walls and entry fraggers who push objectives. Defenders include anchors, who hold key positions, and roamers, who flank enemies. Experiment with different operators to find those that best suit your playstyle and contribute to your team's strategy. Mastering gameplay mechanics is crucial for success. Always use cover and the lean feature to peek corners safely. Effective communication with your team, using pings for enemy locations or objective markers, is vital. Spend time learning each map's layout, common entry points, and objective locations. This knowledge will help you anticipate enemy movements and plan your attacks or defenses more effectively. To elevate your game, fine-tune your sensitivity settings for precise aiming. Many players find a lower sensitivity helps with accuracy. Watching professional Rainbow Six mobile gameplay can also provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and operator synergies. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space as clean as your gameplay. Keep practicing, and you'll dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.